Welcome to the in front of me ASUS Zenfone 9, and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first let's open the settings application, and after that we should tap on the wallpaper and style section. Then let's click here to allow, and just to change our wallpaper, okay, let's change our temp to the light one. And now just to change wallpaper we should click here, and after that we can select our new wallpaper from our device photo previously taken in our device camera or downloaded from the internet, for example. Or also we can use our default photos. For example, I'll use this first, but if you want to change the if you want to see how this wallpaper will look on your lock screen, you can just select the lock screen here and then tap here to apply. And now let's just lock the device, and we can see that we just successfully changed our lock screen wallpaper. Also, we can make it by the second way. Just first we should hold for a while our device screen, and after that we should click here on the right down corner to wallpaper and style icon, and then just click here to change wallpaper. Once again, let's just select, for example, this wallpaper and tap to apply, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.